The 2025 Toyota Yaris continues to build on its reputation as a compact, reliable, and fuel-efficient vehicle. Designed for urban dwellers and first-time car buyers, the Yaris blends practicality with a fresh look and modern features, making it an ideal choice in the subcompact segment. Exterior design. The 2025 Yaris features a more refined and dynamic exterior, with a sleeker silhouette and sculpted lines that give it a sportier presence. A bold front grille, redesigned LED headlights, and updated alloy wheels enhance its modern appeal. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving and tight parking spots, while still projecting a youthful and stylish vibe. Interior. Inside, the Yaris surprises with its thoughtful layout and improved materials. The cabin offers a clean, minimalistic design with an intuitive infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Despite its compact size, the interior is surprisingly spacious, with comfortable seating and clever storage options. The use of soft-touch materials and upgraded upholstery gives the cabin a more premium feel. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Yaris is equipped with an efficient 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel economy. With either a manual or CVT transmission, the Yaris offers smooth acceleration and agile handling, especially in urban environments. Its suspension is tuned for comfort, making it a pleasant drive both in city traffic and on the highway. Safety features. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Yaris is no exception. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. Additionally, multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and advanced braking systems contribute to its strong safety credentials. Market position. The Yaris remains a key player in the subcompact car market, targeting budget-conscious buyers who want a dependable and stylish vehicle. Competing with models like the Honda Fit and Hyundai Accent, the 2025 Yaris stands out with its reliability, advanced safety features, and Toyota's strong brand reputation. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Yaris is a smart choice for drivers looking for an affordable, safe, and well-rounded vehicle. With its refreshed design, efficient performance, and a solid list of features, it continues to prove that big value can come in a small package.